We have issued the notification today on 16th. The receipt of nomination will start from 18th July 2022 to 25th July 22. From 10 o'clock to 1 o'clock, 13 hours, 10 hours to 13 hours, except Sunday, except 24th July, which is Sunday. Date of time of scrutiny is, nomination paper is 26th July, from 10 hours till scrutiny is over. Date and time of withdrawal of nomination papers and list of candidates which are displayed after 2 p.m. is Wednesday 27 July 2022 from 10 hours to 14 hours. Then the list, after the withdrawal is over, the list of candidates will be prepared. Date and time of poll is Wednesday 10th August 2022 from 8 hours to 17 hours. Date and time of counting is Friday 12th August 2022 from 8 hours till the counting of vote is completed. So this is the schedule which we are announcing. The model code of conduct will come from now onwards, from today onwards, for which notification is already issued.